Hello and welcome to LEAPER channel. Today we recommend the X24. This is a motorcycle-style electric bicycle. The weight of this electric bicycle is very light, only 24 kilograms. It is very convenient for daily riding. This is a compact electric bicycle. Its length is 165 centimeters. Its rear seat is 22 centimeters wide. Its handlebars is 73 centimeters wide. The height of the whole bike is 1 meter. 20*0-inch canvas tires in the front and non-slip and wear resistant. White tires are very stable on snow mountains, sand and roads. This special production is a souvenir version, with brushed finish in pure metal color. The bicycle frame is made of aluminum alloy, and sewed in the colors of pure model textures. Impressed BV, the brown cushion of the leather is very comfortable. And there's a full-grown type of shock absorber on the front of the bike. In the bike is a spring type of shock absorption system. Whether it's over potholes or bumps, it will make you very comfortable to ride. There is also a 7-inch headlight in the front position. Also, you can adjust the angle of the headlights. In RDIN, it also has a 48-volt 20Ah lithium battery. On the back of the bike there is 750W high-speed brushless DC motor. A maximum speed of 50 km/h is guaranteed. In the chassis of pure electricity, it can reach a speed of 60 km. When using the assisted riding mode, it can reach 100 km. Look at the handlebars. Again, the grip is made of full leather and has the button areas on the top left. Light off button area and horn button. Right here is the main switch for the whole bicycle. There are 2 buttons for upshift and downshift. Pay special attention to the 2 hidden buttons. One is the ability to adjust the display. The other is the display's nocturnal mode. The display can be dimmed and brightened by them. In the middle is a really cool display. On the right hand side is an electric dial throttle. There is also a unit for adjusting the crankset disc. And, of course, our left and right brake handles. We flip the switch together. The digital color display lights up. It shows our battery level. In the middle is our speed and one of our error codes. It also shows the power tier. The itinerary is shown below. Can be adjusted to change between the power. Thus, the comprehensive data of the entire ride is observed. The Bike 24 has 3 riding modes. They are pedal mode, assistant mode and throttle mode. In assistant mode, it provides more power in the gears as we ride. If you're riding 5th gear, it gives you 50 km/h. Of course, you can also use our buttons and motors with full throttle. You don't have to do any riding. At this point it has a choice of 5 gears. First gear is 15 kilometers, 50 miles an hour in 5th gear. Thank you for watching. That's all we have for X24 today. For more information, please inquire us. Look forward to seeing you next time.